guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. It feels so good to film. I have had most of my videos pre-filmed because I've been out of town quite a bit the last couple weeks, so I'm so glad to be back. I missed y'all so much, so sorry about my absence. I know I haven't been on Snapchat and stuff that much, but I'm going to be back to snapping Snap comments. So let me know down below if you are from Snap fam, and then also just replying to everybody. So sorry again, I'm just a little bit behind. But anyways, if you are new to my channel, then I want to say hello, welcome. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe down below so you are notified for future videos from me. I post 3 times a week, so Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And also make sure that you do hit that bell notification so you're notified as soon as the videos go live. But I'm excited to hop into these goodies, so let's get started. Ooh, okay, so the first package that I got came from Becca Cosmetics, and it says, thank you for loving our assortment of Becca goodies. Here's a restock of some Becca essentials to keep you glowing all day long. So let's see what they sent over. Ooh, okay. So the first thing that we have is the Becca Skin Love Glow Elixir, and here's what it looks like. And I have heard wonderful things about this. It is from their skincare line. Oh my gosh, it has like glitter reflex. But again, this is a skincare product. Let's see what it says on the back. It says, a fountain of glow in a bottle, a super potent glow boosting serum enriched with Becca's Glow Nectar Brightening Hydra Complex. Replenishes and restores skin with essential nutrients. So I'm very excited to try this out. Okay, the very next product, ooh, I'm very excited because I think this is the color. Okay, so this is the Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. You guys, I haven't done my October monthly favorites yet, but I have so many products that I've been trying out lately. So many new awesome favorites, and one of them has been this foundation. I actually have it on today. I have it in the color tan. I did actually get a tan a couple weeks ago when I went to the beach, but that is fading away, and I think olive, yay! Olive is probably going to be my next shade for winter. Ooh, I am excited. This is so freaking full coverage. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. I'll again probably be talking about in my favorites, but it is a 24-hour foundation. It literally stays put all day long, and again, super full coverage, which you guys know I love. So thank y'all. I'm so excited about that. I actually had this on my list to purchase at the Sephora sale. Okay, next thing we have is the Shimmering Skin Perfector in Prosecco Pop. And I actually have this and love it. Here's what it looks like. It is a beautiful gold highlight. And I must say, Becca has been killing it lately with the highlights. Her highlights are pretty much all I've been using lately. There's a pink one and I cannot remember the name. I'll try to leave it below. It's something lights. It's one of the ones that they did international, but is amazing. I use it all the time. And then the last thing they sent over is the Backlight Priming Filter. This is their primer, and it gives you a super gorgeous glow. These are essentials. And here's what it looks like. And thank you so much to Becca Cosmetics for that package. I actually just got back from New York, and I did get to meet up with Sarah that works at their office, and she was so sweet. We had so much fun. So thank you all so much for that package. All right, next package came from Buxom. So let's see what they sent over. Ooh, I think this is a holiday set. We'll put that to the side and I'll grab everything out of the box. Oh my gosh, they sent over a ton of products. Thank you all so much. Okay, so, oh my goodness, this says bronzer. I did not even know they had a bronzer. Okay, so the first thing I see is a Hot Escapes bronzer. And here's what that looks like. And it's in the shade Maldives. Or Maldives. Ooh, I'm excited for this. Ooh, this looks like a really good shade. I honestly had no idea they had bronzers. I feel crazy right now. So here's what that looks like. It does have a little bit of a shimmer to it, I feel like. Yeah, it definitely has a little bit of a shimmer, but it's really pretty. Look at that. Ooh, I cannot wait to try this. Super pretty. It says Light Island scent too, so I think it is scented. Let me see. Ooh, yeah, it is. Smells really good though. So there's that. And then the next thing we have is their lash mascara. We have the Viva Plump lipstick, and this is in the shade Lights Down. I do really like this liquid lipstick. I have a couple shades, and this looks like it's going to be like a brown. Oh my gosh, they sent me like everything for a whole look. We have the Call Me eyeliner, a lipstick in Vampy Plum. Let's see what color this looks like. Ugh. I do really like their regular lipsticks. Here's what that looks like. It's like a really pretty plum shade. And then we also have their Ariana top coat. And then the last thing that they sent over, I think this might be from their holiday collection, but it says Party All Night. This is a 12-piece mini lip plumpers. And it also has this little eye, it says it's an eye veil. It's basically like a little masquerade mask. So there's that. It is a $123 value, retails for $49. And as always, you guys, I will leave a link down below to all the products that we talk about today. Okay, next package came from Colourpop. Let's see what they sent over. Ooh, that got stuck. Okay, so it says Colourpop X Delilah. My wish to create a makeup line that is dedicated to cancer patients. I wanted my wish to be a reflection of my journey. Thank you, because of your purchase is making other wishes come true. That is awesome. And I'm not sure I've saw this online. I think I'm a little behind on the new releases, but this is called Strength, and this is a lip bundle. Oh my gosh, these glosses are beautiful. These are definitely up my alley shade-wise. So the first one that we have is called, it doesn't say that, oh, it's called JJ. And this is just like a glossy pink shade. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's just really like a light pink sheen for the gloss. The next one we have is called New Day, and it's more of like a nude shade with a little bit of gold reflex. And this one goes on super nude. It has one of the wands that's like this. And then very last we have Wish, and this one's more of a nude shade. Ooh, and this one is like a liquid lipstick mousse. So there's that, 3 beautiful colors. And then we also have the 4-pack of Super Shock Shadows, and this pack is called Journey. I'm not going to swatch these. I might actually put these in a giveaway just because I typically don't grab for these type shadows typically. So we have DJ, and this is a beautiful like cranberry shade. Next we have Cherish, and Cherish is going to be a really pretty goldy shade. We have Okay, which is a much lighter gold champagne. And then the very last one is called Warrior, and this is a beautiful blue shade. So thank you so much to Colourpop for that package. And I absolutely love this, and it does have Make-A-Wish on the top as well for the Make-A-Wish Foundation. Thank y'all so much. All right, next package we have came from Dermalogica. Ooh, I just realized I hit my light earlier and it like moved. Ooh, spiders. Okay, let's see what they sent over. Oh my gosh, this is like legit, like figure out how to get over this. This is like cobwebs everywhere. Oh, okay, it says, what's scarier than leftover Halloween makeup? It says, no tricks this Halloween, treat your skin, and it is their pre-cleanse balm. That's so funny. I've used this before and it's really, really good. So this is the pre-cleanse balm, and it also comes with a mitt. I have like spider webs all over me. And then they also sent over their special cleansing gel. So thank you so much to Dermalogica for that package. So cute, but also very scary. Good thing I'm not scared of spiders. I mean, I am, but like not like terrible scare, because if I would have opened that and been like super scared of spiders, I probably would have freaked out. Next thing is from Octoly, and it's so funny because I actually think they sent over one of the Becca products. Yes. So they sent over 2 different products, and this is through Octoly and Becca. And so the first thing we have is the Becca Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick. And it says, your post-facial glow in a stick. It is an ultra sheer translucent highlight that imparts a dewy sheen to the skin. I have been wanting to try this for so long. So here's what the packaging looks like. It is a reflective silver packaging. And as you can see, it's like a gold shade. Oh yeah, this is really pretty. So as you can see, it just gives the skin a very dewy, healthy glow look. Oh my gosh, I love that. This would also be really good. Did it say it's more skincare? This would be really good for like a no makeup look. Like a really healthy skin look with like a BB cream and just this glow all over your cheeks. Oh, I love that. And then the other thing, again, this is a elixir, a glow elixir. And I just want to give you guys a close-up so you can actually see how beautiful this is. Hopefully you can see. I don't know if you'll be able to see the flecks in it. Probably not. But it has like these little just glow flecks in it. It just looks like it's glowing. And again, this is a glow boosting serum. I'm so excited to try these out. I love that Becca is coming out with skincare products, but I haven't tried any of them out yet, so I'm excited to see them, see how they look on the skin. I've been almost thinking about doing another one of those videos that I did a few months ago, like a testing out new skincare products. Let me know if you guys would like to see that down below, but I'm very interested to try the glow stick and then again, the serum. I think it looks really, really pretty. And I'm excited to test it out. So thank you so much to Becca and Octoly for that package. Okay, next thing came from Imats Cosmetics. And I forgot to show this. This is so cool. It literally is like a backstage pass. And it has all these different lipsticks in it. And I wanted to show you guys a couple shades. These are their Powder Kiss lipsticks. First one's a win. So this one is called Burning Love. Look how pretty that is. Let's wipe the hand clean. These look like they're super duper matte. Oh no, they're actually creamy. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay. Next one we have is Sultriness, and this is like a light baby pink shade. I love, nothing beats like a good MAC lipstick. Okay, we have Scattered Petals, which is a really light nude. I don't think that one's gonna be as pretty on me, so I'm not gonna swatch it. I might just keep it for a giveaway. Ooh. Okay, we have Style Shocked. Ooh, really bright orange. Okay, let's swatch a couple more. This one is called Mull It Over, and it is a beautiful nude shade. Ooh, like an orangey nude. Gosh, I just can't get over how much I love MAC lipsticks. Ooh, this one is a beautiful bright pink. This one is called Fall in Love. Then we have Devoted to Chile, another beautiful nude shade. These shades are all so pretty. And that one has more of an orangey tone. And then last, we have one that's broken. This is called Lasting Passion. It's like a really pretty bright shade. There we go, you just had to stick it back in. I feel like there was another one that was in here that I really wanted to try that was like really dark. I saw somebody swatch them on, not Instagram, yeah, Instagram. So my camera died and I tried to keep shaking the MAC lipsticks, but that packaging's hardcore. It was a lot harder to get those out than I thought. So I will keep you guys updated and swatch some more shades maybe in another video. But the very last package came from Profusion Cosmetics, and I love how they're always so cute and they like wrap up their stuff. So it says Fall into Fall, and I'm so happy that I'm finally like back home. I don't have any travel for a while besides Imats. If you guys are going to Imats in Atlanta, let me know. Ooh. Okay, so here is the first palette that they sent over. Very fall-like. I love this. I can finally, hopefully, do the drugstore video I've been wanting to do forever. Okay. Next, we have the Lips to Go, and these are obviously very fall vibes. We have like a really dark brown burgundy and then also a lip topper that's really sparkly and pretty. Next Lips to Go is more bright, and these are bright red shades. And then very last, we have the Profusion Face, and this has a bronzer, a couple different blushes, and a highlight, and a brush. And thank you so much to Profusion Cosmetics for that package. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm excited to be back, and as always, I love you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.